I love how my nails blend in with the background. And I have these that I only like. These ones. I haven't eaten sour candy in so long, and Ricky sits here and eats it like all the time. He'll eat Sour Patch Kids. My husband would eat Sour Patch Kids for breakfast if he could. For today's fall makeup tutorial, we are going to use the Artist Couture Supreme. The Artist Couture Supreme Nudes palette. This is what it looks like. But like I saw online shopping, that the popular theme color scheme right now is like camo colors or safari colors. So we're gonna go with some nude tones, a little warmth, like there's the orangey slash like this color, cream colored, I guess. Yeah, basically like this whole color scheme is just anytime, you get what I'm saying. Any time of the year, all year, any day, anytime, any occasion. So I'm gonna take my MAC 224S brush and I'm gonna dip into Transcend right here. We're gonna use this as our transition shade, and I'm gonna go in straight onto my crease and just windshield wiper back and forth of my natural eye shape. This color to me is a very pumpkin spice color, at least on my skin tone. And I'm going to start to swipe this outward. You can shape this however you like, but for me, I'm gonna go very like outside of my eyelid area, kind of more editorial style, I guess. So you're kind of flicking it this way outside towards the brow and on the temple area. Kind of just gives it a more seamless blend. And do the other side real quick. So I don't want to wash myself out completely, so I'm going to take my bronzer, the Cover Fix Sunkissed Bronze, and I'm going to dip into that bronzing shade with the same brush. And I'm going to windshield wipe, very light pressure, back and forth on my brow area. My brow bone area. That's what I meant to say. Sorry if I seem so mellow in this tutorial. Like, today was just like running a bunch of errands that I really didn't want to do, like grocery shopping. It's time for another snacky snack. So I'm gonna go in with this shade here called Aesthetic. Same brush. I'm gonna go right into my crease, same motion, windshield wiper. Just to distribute the product evenly. And kind of flick it up and out. Now I'm going to start to blend this up a little bit. Shade Supreme, and it's like this dark green here. I'm gonna use my finger and just swipe it on to my lid, just like that. take my flat concealer brush, dip right in here, and get these inner corners and outer. So to give this a more blended look, I'm gonna take the Morphe M505 brush again, dip into a little bit of Supreme, and blend that difference right there. Kind of just going back and forth. This is a little bit more reflective. I'm gonna try taking Lavish, which is like this yellowy green shimmer color. I'm gonna take it on my flat brush and go right here. No, not working. Okay, we're gonna use our finger and go right here in the middle. And we'll blend with this brush. Yeah, big difference. And now I'm gonna take Opulence. It's this gold shade. It's really, really pretty. Right here. So to toast things up a little bit more, I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Color Chameleon in the shade Amber Haze. A very nice bronze color. I'm gonna use this along my lash line. Going up over the lid a little bit, like halfway. Then I'm going to take my little shading brush and kind of just merge everything together. This way, the green kind of becomes like the underlying tone and it's not like the main show, if that makes sense. So now I'm gonna drag this color right here underneath on my lash line. I'm going to smudge it out. Transcend. I'm gonna go right underneath that Color Chameleon and just swipe back and forth. So now I'm going to take the Cool Liner in the shade Teddy from MAC. And I'm going to do my waterline first. And I'm going to do my lash line. I'm going to take my smudge brush. And kind of just go over this area right here. And go straight out. So as I had mentioned before in my other haul video, like this is like the perfect like toasted brown color and it goes with pretty much any neutral like look you're trying to do. I really, really like this. I feel like it's missing a little bit more depth, so I'm gonna add mink with my smudge brush. I'm going to press that onto my lash line. Perfect. Take my fluff brush and kind of just dip back and transcend a little bit and just kind of bring it down. Make it more blurred at the bottom. Look what happened. So I'm going to use it's a look from the House of Lashes collab with Patrick Ta. And these are my favorite pair. So I'm gonna put these on and I'll be right back. The lashes are on. And I feel like something is missing. Yes, I know what it is. It's underneath my eyes. I'm gonna take this here. I'm gonna take this on my MAC 217S brush and go right underneath here. Okay, to finish off this look, I'm gonna use my MAC Lovejoy Mineral Blush. I'm going to swirl this on my cheeks. And this is their Diamond Glow Powder. So I'm going to take the shade Illuminati. And on my eyelid. I'm going to use the KKW Beauty Lip Liner in the shade Nude 2. Now I'm gonna go in with Saucy Gal from Artist Couture. Now I'm gonna pop on in the middle the KKW Beauty Nude 2 lipstick. Like, this is the perfect orangey bronze lip that I've always wanted. It's like my dream come true, really. So it matches perfectly with my cheek, with my bronzer, my eyeshadow. Like, I love this safari vibe. Next, I'm going to set everything with the Patrick Ta Dewy Milk Mist. You can see I have used this a lot. And I'm going to spray all over. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. My eyes are annoying me right now, so I'm just gonna squint. So that brings today's video to a close. Time for me to eat this sour punch. Anyways, you guys, I will see you in the next totally relatable tutorial. Bye!